Yes, good morning, guys. Happy Sunday to all of you, and then happy Mother's Day to all mothers there. And then welcome to my blog. So yeah, it's another day of grind, running. Yeah, that's life of being a runner. Not being a runner. If, yes, I'm going ahead to the park that's located to our in this area. So the time is 7 a.m. in the morning, and then the weather is so really frozen for me, guys. It's 7. Alright, guys, I will start my run. Yes, my target today is 1 hour, and I don't know how many kilometers I can do on 1 hour. It's really cold. Oh, I forgot. I think I need to, next time I need to wear a jacket. It's another SD error, guys, using the GoPro. I don't know why. Yes, finally, guys, I got 1 kilometer in 8 minutes. So I think that's the normal for me. Yeah, even it's really challenging to run nowadays, so I keep pushing myself to run, even small run or slow run today. I want to activate in my brain the message: you need to run, you need to run. Yes, I'm listening a motivational speech when I was running, so it gives me something pushing. So yeah, I'm listening the motivational speech, and it gives me motivation to myself. Wow, it's a powerful message from what I'm listening today about the negative in your life. Yeah, this negative may control you or make it difficult for you to move and reach your goal. Control you, so it's really challenging if negativity entertain you into your life. Yeah, it's really good that listening in a motivational speech, especially because if they give positive words of encouragement in your life or whatever you do, so you can work out it, your passion or whatever you want to do. Yes, that's a really good. Step by step you can grow, you can step by step you can change your perspective in life. Take a little step in yourself. Just do not believe in the darkness. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good listening to motivational speech again. Yeah, you can be example of a person that someone never thought. They cannot imagine. Oh, look at this. Oh, John is before John was lazy boy, and now look at John. Now he became powerful and be a leader, and he became a leader to his team. Something like that. Yes, guys. So I almost 3 kilometers, and then the time is, I think, let me check what time is it. Oh, all right, this is my time, 29 minutes 3.1. Oh, so yeah, I don't know, I finished 4 kilometers in 36 minutes, not bad. And then the pace, what do you call that? So in 1 kilometer I get 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Yeah, so all right, I need to finish the 5 kilometers run. Alright guys, so I finished 5 kilometers in 45 minutes. Yeah, I think that's the vlog for today, that I ran 5 kilometers, and then hopefully I inspire you and motivate you guys in a simple way. Yes guys, so I finished today, and thank you for watching, and that's it.